And we have some news just coming in from Parliament. The opposition upping the ante against the government. Big Adani Modi protest by the opposition MPs once again seen in Parliament today after wearing Modi Adani mask. Today the MPs are carrying bags with Modi Adani cartoons there. Of the Congress party and members of the India bloc who are now carrying a bag essentially showing a cartoon of the Prime Minister and of Gautam Adani there. Yesterday, you can see in these pictures, they were seen wearing masks. Rahul Gandhi was seen, in fact, doing a mock interview of sorts of the two Congress MPs who had worn a mask of the Prime Minister and of Gautam Adani. In different ways, the opposition, particularly being led by the Congress party, is raising the connection between Gautam Adani and the Prime Minister, asking the government to come clean on the charges that have been levelled against Gautam Adani. Take a look at these pictures coming in from Parliament, where today they're all in fact using a bag that has the cartoon of the Prime Minister and of Gautam Adani. The opposition finding new and different ways to raise this outside the House, given that inside the House the government has said that we will not discuss the allegations that Gautam Adani is now facing. This matter will not be investigated, is what the government has said, leading to days of washout of the winter session of Parliament. On your screens right now, pictures are from today on the right side of the opposition members, now carrying a bag of the cartoon of Gautam Adani and Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Life and extend my best wishes.
आप मेरी बात पूरी सुनिए, आप मेरी बात सुनिए। चाहे सत्ता पक्ष हो चाहे प्रतिपक्ष हो, सभी दल के लोग संसद की गरिमा, परंपरा, मर्यादा, प्रतिष्ठा को बनाए रखें। मर्यादित गरिमा आचरण रखेंगे तो जनता में एक ठीक संदेश जाएगा, सकारात्मक संदेश जाएगा। इस लोकतंत्र के मंदिर के प्रति लोगों की बहुत आस्था, विश्वास है। 75 वर्ष में हमने इसी चर्चा, संवाद, असहमति, तीखी आलोचना, ये सब इस सदन में हुए हैं, जो यहाँ की परंपराएं भी रही है। आप सकारात्मक सहयोग करें, जो कुछ भी विषय मुद्दे हैं आप आकर चर्चा करें। सत्ता पक्ष से प्रतिपक्ष के लोग आपस में बैठकर चर्चा करें, सदन को चलाने का प्रयास करें। प्रश्नकाल एक महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है। पूर्व में भी कई बार चर्चा हुई कि प्रश्नकाल में हम सदन को चलने देंगे। मुझे आशा है कि आप इस परंपराओं को, परिपाटियों को और इस सदन की पीठ को आप सकारात्मक सहयोग करेंगे और सदन गरिमा से चले, ये मेरी अपेक्षा है। प्रश्नकाल और कोई विषय है तो प्रश्नकाल के बाद आप विषय को शून्यकाल में अपने विषय को रखें, ये मेरा आपसे आग्रह है। प्रश्नकाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 201 दिलीप साकिया।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 201 सर।
सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, सदन चलेगा, मर्यादा गरिमा चलेगा। सदन की कार्रवाई 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
House has been adjourned till noon once again. In fact, these are proceedings you just heard from Lok Sabha. Let's take a listen.
Right scholar. He was awarded Padam Vibhushan in 2023 for his illustrious contributions towards public life over 6 decades. Sri Krishna is credited by many for placing Bengaluru on the global map as India's Silicon Valley. In the passing away of Sri S. M. Krishna, the country has lost
From Parliament, where the MPs are protesting. You just heard proceedings in Lok Sabha, which has now been adjourned up until noon once again as disruption started. In Rajya Sabha right now as we speak, the chair is offering an obituary to the former External Affairs Minister S.M. Krishna, who's passed away. Series of reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
बहुत मजबूत है, हमें किसी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। हमारा मुद्दा, हमारा लक्ष्य एक ही है। हम अदानी पे चर्चा करना चाहते हैं, हम पार्लियामेंट चलाना चाहते हैं, हम संविधान पे 13-14 पे चर्चा करना चाहते हैं। यही हम लोगों की डिमांड है।
Government is saying that you are obstructing the house and they are raising the issue of George Soros, and one nation one election bill is also likely to be introduced in this.
We have to understand that they attacked leader of opposition, spoke defamatory words in the parliament. They wanted to divert from the real issue of Adani scam. Therefore, they are trying to do all this kind of unparliamentary thing inside the parliament. We are asking the unparliamentary words to be expunged from the parliament. Today also in the MP's meeting in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi ji told that we want the parliament to function. Let us not do anything which will stop the parliament from functioning. We want a debate. Government is running away from the constitutional debate. They were not ready for it. Our leadership, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji as well as Kharge Sahab has wrote to the speaker and chairman. Therefore only they under pressure only they accepted the constitution debate. Now that constitution debate also the government is not ready to do it. They are putting sleeper cells like Dubey ji and Patra ji in that work for Adani ji inside the parliament to disturb the parliament. We want the parliament to function.
But sir, now today Lalu Yadav is saying that he's ready to support Mamata Banerjee. Whatever Congress say, this is their, it can be their view. But RJD's view is that they are supporting Mamata Banerjee as the leader of India.
All right, you've seen these protests that are happening in Parliament.